Hey guys, this is Pubet, and today I'm going to be showing you Android 7.1.1 Nougat running on my Galaxy S4. Now this has not been shown on my channel in a while. I believe it's been about a year and a half since this was last in a video. And that last video is about the broken motherboard. The motherboard was completely shot from a faulty charger. And I just recently, a couple of days ago, went ahead and bought a broken Galaxy S4 and replaced the motherboard with it just had a broken screen, so I just swapped out the motherboard in it. So this is the same case and everything. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start it up. It's currently completely off, so this will give you a good idea of just how the performance is. And this shouldn't take too long, so alright, as you can see, it just went ahead and booted up. This is pretty stock. There's not a whole lot of things I've done to this. I've installed a couple apps, as you can see. I installed Gaps, of course, but I did install the Pico version, so it's not too big. And as you can see, it's running pretty smooth already. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that nothing is open. It shouldn't even be open anyways because it's just rebooted. And I'm going to go ahead and pop into settings and show you that it is Android 7.1.1. Let's see if we can get the Easter egg. And there you go, you got the little cat emoji. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and just open up all these apps just to give you an idea how the performance is. So first I'm going to go ahead and open up Chrome, and it should open up the eBay ad that I got the motherboard from. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Just 13 bucks. It wasn't too bad. There were some motherboards for about like $12, but the shipping was more expensive. Plus this one had returns, so not sure why it's showing me shoes. So let's go ahead and just go to YouTube real quick. As you can see, it loads right up. I have not experienced any issues with this ROM at all. Everything seems to be working just fine. I know on my Nexus 7 it had playback issues on YouTube. However, this plays back everything just fine. As you can see, there's no issues here. We can go to the Reddit mobile page. And this should load up pretty quickly as well. Reddit mobile page always takes a little while to load in every device. So it should pop up in a second. There we go. And as you can see, everything loads in, and it's pretty smooth. There's no stuttering or anything. Next, I'm going to just open up Calculator. As you can see, it's pretty fast. You'd expect it. It's a pretty simple app. I'm going to open up Kernel Editor. And as you can see, it's loaded up. Here we have all the CPU times. Open up the File Manager. Chrome, still open. Let's open up Reddit now. Oops. This shouldn't take too long, as you can see. Let's go ahead and open up Clash Royale, and after that we're just going to go ahead and see if everything's in the background, although Clash Royale is pretty intensive, so it may close the other apps in the background. But as you can see, nice and smooth. I've already done a couple battles on this, and it does work just fine. Let's go ahead and open a replay. And we'll see that it's pretty smooth. It's around 60 FPS. I'm recording at 30 FPS, so you won't be able to see it. It's not gonna look as smooth. But as you can see, it's playable. So next, we're gonna go ahead and open up Chrome. As you can see, that's still open. Go open up Reddit. It's still open. Calculator should be open. Kernel Editor is still open, and File Manager is still open. So as you can see, the RAM management is actually pretty good. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull up a YouTube video real quick. Alright, I just pulled up the video. As you can see, this is 720 at 60 FPS. Before this, you could only do 1080p at 30. However, now you can do 1080p 60. I think this was just a YouTube hotfix, because my Galaxy S4 can only do 720 60, and now it can do 1080 60. So I think it was just a YouTube app update. I don't think it's anything to do with the operating system. Alright, so as you can see, I opened up my YouTube video, and I'm just going to go ahead and open up this so you can see if it's dropping any frames. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. As you can see, it's not dropping anything, so as you can see, it can run YouTube videos just fine. See, I can pull up a 1080p video as well, and it shouldn't have any issues either. So there you go. So YouTube videos are no problem on this, no playback issues at all. Alright, so next I'm just going to go and open up Play Store, which is bigger. It does take a little while longer. As you can see, it loads up pretty quickly. And now we're just going to go ahead and see if everything's running in the background. So Reddit is running in the background, Calculator is still running in the background, Kernel Auditor is still running in the background, File Explorer as well, Chrome. I'm doubting Clash Royale is still in the background. Okay, Clash Royale is still in the background, as you can see. YouTube is still there, and Play Store. So as you can see, it has no problem keeping things in the background, so RAM management is great. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and open up some more apps. So let's just open up Dialer, Messenger, or messaging, the default web browser, and camera. Camera does work too, video, everything works. It just takes a second to load up. And let's see, turn on flash and take a picture. We have a nice picture of my desk. It's also worth noting that this is OctOS because there is no official Lineage OS build for the Galaxy S4 Sprint variant. So it does have a couple of features such as Omni Switch and a data traffic monitor right there. As you can see, this is OctOS. And if we go into the notification panel and click this little icon, it pops us into the settings. So basically all the settings that have been removed have just been moved over here. So we can go ahead and change the recents to Omni Switch instead. So if you hold this down, it pops up that. I'm not a fan of it, however, you know, some people like it. So if you want it, there you go. I haven't really found any other features other than the Omni Switch and the data traffic indicator, although I'm sure there's more. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Next weekend I'm going to be comparing this to my new Samsung Galaxy S5 running Lineage OS 14.1 as well. With all the same apps and everything, so it's just basically going to be a performance test. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next weekend.